Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into InstaCart. And it's very simple step. All you gotta do is follow along step by step and you'll be logged in no time. First thing first, you know what to do. Like, select your preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome right here. Let's tap into this. And at the very top, you can see a search bar. Let's tap in InstaCart Work Login and hit enter. Now, all you gotta do is select the official site. Make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. And you'll be greeted with this login page. There are various ways to log in. You can either use your Google account, even your Facebook, or you can also continue with the phone. Let's not do that for now. We are simply going to use our email right here, and of course the password, and that's it. And also, if you have forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. There's the option that says reset it. You can tap into that and it will help you reset your password. Also, if you're new to this and you don't have an account, to sign up, you can simply tap in this green button that says sign up. So since we already have an account, we have already typed in our credentials, we can tap into this green button that says log in, and you'll be logged in no time. Congratulations, since you have already typed in that login button, now you have access to all the features of the Instacart account. And that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any question regarding this, you can simply leave a comment down below. We'll be happy to help you. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That's it. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.